You love a monologue but can't find patience. You've settled down a lot by invitation. You question empty vessels' motivation, but there's a stillness in my illness fading. If you frown, then you drown. Under the table is where you begin. If you smile, then you swim back to the places I put letters in. You're golden, just learn some. Find your way back, find your way back. You're golden, just learn some. Find your way back, find your way back home. Found frustration, a doomed relationship in conversation. He had the moves to make a maiden's thirst girl. I get the feeling that he chose the wrong girl. She was a clever one who saw right through him. An exclamation mark, the dots still burning. Cause it's the clever ones that make his head spin. I guess we make mistakes, but we're still learning.